One of the common problems in your shed is how to organize your garden tools. Before you know it, everything quickly becomes a clutter. I tried several failed attempts to solve this problem, but finally hit the nail on the head. So today I am going to share my secret on how to organize your garden tools. Does it seem familiar? Let's get on with it. The tools you require for this task are hooks, extension cord, drill bits, rivet gun, earmuffs, safety glasses and gloves. If you need a product link for the hooks, drop me a comment. I got mine from Bunnings. Now first do a dry run of where you want the hooks to be installed. I did it by getting a feel of which part of the shed I wanted each tool to be placed. After this step, place the hook in place and mark the holes before drilling. Also, a note for inexperienced DIYers: when drilling into metal sheets, always start with slow speed on the drill, else the metal will seem impregnable. After you have made the holes with the drill, use the rivet gun with the correct rivet size and fix the hook in place. Make sure you insert the rivet tip all the way into the rivet gun. That's all, you are done. Notice what a difference it can make. Congrats, you have organized your garden tools. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and help this channel by hitting the subscribe button.